don't promise. Now everybody got questions. Yeah. Phone won't stop, Marcus on the line. Tell me where my father's chain is time. I swear to God I don't know where it went. Every second feels like punishment. Back to the studio, searching every room. Flashbacks playing like a movie of doom. Producer said I ain't seen a thing. Cameraman shrugged, thought you had the chain. My manager said, maybe check the ride. My girl looked hurt, said, don't look at my side. Everybody pointing fingers in the dark, trying to solve a fire from a single spark. Trust getting thinner, walls closing in. Every conversation feels like a sin. The louder I scream, the less they believe. Now I'm chasing shadows that never leave. It's missing, gone without a trace. Now every friend got a different face. Missing, who can I trust? Diamonds disappear, so does love. Missing, truth feels so far. Everybody smiling, hiding who they are. Internet talking like they know my life. Probably so they probably staged the hype. Every headline cut it like a blade. Building up a monster that I never made. Marcus won't answer, silence says enough. Brotherhood fading, this is getting rough. Even rivals laughing at my pain, saying I was never worthy of the chain. I close my eyes, try to think it through. Who was standing closest, who knew what I do. Buzz, my phone lights up, unknown number, one message. I know where the chain is. Come along, no name, no location, just an address. It's missing, maybe not for long. Somebody waiting, something feels wrong. Missing, every step gets cold, every answer costs more than gold. Missing, tonight I finally see who stole the chain and why they chose me. Midnight, old warehouse. A shadow steps forward. They're holding the chain. They smile. I knew you'd come.
To be continued.